So the winner of Miss Manipur 2022 is, let's say it together. C is none other than
contestant number 7,
Mannasha Devi Sapam. Congratulations, Mannasha Devi Sapam. Contestant number 7, winner of Miss Manipur 2022.
Congratulations, contestant number 7, Mannasha Devi Sapam. She is the winner of Miss Manipur 2022.
And the winner award includes cash award of rupees 1 lakh, sponsored by Honorable MLA Soraisam KV Devi, and will represent Manipur in Miss Northeast 2022, organized by NEFPO, Northeast Beauty Pageant Organization, and a crown, chef's memento, certificate, bouquet from Congressional Nachom, gift hamper from Atomy Absolute One Center, and gift voucher from Aphrodite, the Beauty Buffet.
And to do the crowning, the former winner, A.R. Mateng, Miss Manipur 2019, will do the crowning.
Would like to request Rakesh Okrum once again to be on the stage. Rakesh.